Will you play badminton tomorrow?
Yes, I will play badminton tomorrow. No, I won't play badminton tomorrow.
Will you go to market tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to market tomorrow. No, I won't go to market tomorrow.
Will you dance Odissi tomorrow?
Yes, I will dance Odyssey tomorrow. No, I won't dance. I won't dance Odyssey tomorrow.
Will you pray to God?
Yes, I will pray to God. No, I won't pray to God.
Will you swim in the river tomorrow?
Yes, I will swim in the river tomorrow. No, I won't swim in the river tomorrow.
Will you walk 5 kilometers tomorrow?
Yes, I will walk 5 kilometers tomorrow. No, I won't walk 5 kilometers tomorrow.
Will you run 10 kilometers tomorrow?
Yes, I will run 10 kilometers tomorrow. No, I won't run 10 kilometers tomorrow.
Will you write a letter?
Yes, I will write a letter. No, I won't write a letter.
Will you read English book tomorrow?
Yes, I will read English book tomorrow. No, I won't read English book tomorrow.
Will you buy vegetables tomorrow?
Yes, I will buy vegetables tomorrow. No, I won't buy vegetables tomorrow.
बहुत बढ़िया. Clap for them.